So hello everybody, welcome to this important series of constraint motion. So let us deal with the third problem in the constraint motion series. And in case if you have not watched the previous video, kindly go and watch it, because we will be using the concept which we have established in the previous video to solve this problem. So over here let us begin with the tensional analysis. So over here, since this part of the rope is connected with each other, so over here if tension is T, then we can say that the tension till this point is same, and over here tension will add up for the two tension to become 2T. Now over here if we write an equation establishing a relation between them, then we can say that the product of T and A, dot product T and A naught in the same direction, so we are taking a positive sign, and 2T and A in the opposite direction, so we can say 2T into AA, and this entire thing is equal to 0. So from here we can say that acceleration AA is equal to A naught by 2. So block A is moving in the downward direction with half the acceleration of the block B, with which the B is rising in the upward direction. So this is the answer to this particular problem, which is the third problem in the constraint motion series.